Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about this one tip that will not only take away all your bodily pains but will also revitalize your body. Please watch the full video and do not forget to subscribe. Pains related to fracture, dislocation, sprain or direct impact to the muscle requires immediate medical attention. All the other pains in the body are a result of muscle imbalance where one muscle group is used more than the other. For example, due to our sedentary lifestyle, our hips and hamstrings tend to become tighter, which might result into a lower back or a knee pain. All of us have some tight muscles somewhere in the body which we keep neglecting or try to suppress by taking painkillers until one faces unfortunate consequences for being bedridden for it. The activity that we are going to discuss will save you from all this, ease your pains, provide relaxation, reduce muscle stiffness, improve circulation, improve your flexibility, improve posture, relieve headaches, boost your immunity, reduce stress, and help you sleep better. To gain all these benefits, you just need to massage the painful area for 5 to 10 minutes once or twice a day, depending upon the severity of the condition. Doing or getting a full body massage done will maximize the benefits.